Alright, I got a problem with my KitchenAid mixer. My wife said this is a little sloppy, and you even have to kind of pull this up for this to lock. So when it's in its resting position, it won't lock. And then if you pull this up, there's even a lot of slop there. So I started looking around at what could be wrong. And if you look right in here, there's just a little screw right there. And I said, did you ever do anything with this? And she said that she had screwed it in. Well, actually, it's a kind of like a stopper. And you actually want to pull it, unscrew it. So you can kind of pull this, screw it out just a bit. And then, you can play with it a little bit. So that's still a little sloppy, but it's better. You can lock it now. So I'll just bring it out just a little bit more. Maybe you can count how many rotations I did. And that's right where it should be. That's not sloppy at all. Anyway, that's a really super easy fix for a sloppy head. So just back that set screw out a little bit and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this helped. Take care.